Welcome to the world of unlimited entertainment. Imagine having access to a plethora of TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries, and more without shelling out a penny. Let us introduce you to Streamflix, your key to this dreamland. First, head to streamflix.in, create your account, and download the Streamflix app. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. The best part? You can enjoy adaptive streaming on any internet-connected device, be it your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. Streamflix is known for its lightning-fast downloads, moderate real-time streaming, and user-friendly interface. You can even download shows to watch offline, change your lists, and have full control over your previous watch content. What's more, Streamflix's extensive library of feature films, documentaries, TV shows, anime, and award-winning originals. It's a feast for the eyes and the soul. Remember, the key to endless entertainment is Streamflix. Dive in and enjoy the ride.